Good morning from the last day of the workshop. What did we do yesterday? Well, it was so windy I didn't get a great deal of chance to video much. And then we went out to Neist Point Lighthouse for the evening. Now, I'd been there before and I'd made a terrible mistake. I can't remember whether it was the top of the lighthouse or the top of one of the hills that was just touching the horizon, and I really wanted to get in a different position to break that bad tangent between the two. And it was so windy, there's no way I could have filmed anything last night, really. But I did get a few shots. There was some seabirds wheeling around against the cliffs, so I swapped over to the long lens and tried to get some of those as well. But that meant, once again, that I couldn't get back to my campsite in time before they closed the barriers. So it was a second night spent in the pizza place car park. We're going to Elgol this afternoon. Whether we stay there until a sunset shoot, I don't know. And if we do, I'll have to leave a little earlier because I've got to be back at the campsite tonight, since this is the last night and I have to clear out in the morning. Well, it's brightened up quite a bit after lunch, or over lunch. It's still very cloudy out there, but let's head off to Elgol. So we've made it to Elgol. Shame about the cloud. There might be a sunset if that keeps clearing. We just don't know. And you can't really see the Cuillin today either, which is a real shame. So that's what I've been trying to shoot for the last 10 minutes. Every now and again you get some light on these central ones. And it's nice when it comes out, but it fades away again so quickly. So this is what happens on a photo workshop. You get 17 photographers all in one place.
We did Ed show you any of his pictures from the other side of the Lighthouse? Yeah. There you go. Oh, yeah, I did.
So that's just about it from Skye. Certainly it from Elgol for the evening. I'm not waiting around till sunset because I don't want to miss another late night and not get into my camping site. So I'm going to head back there now if I can get over this rocky beach. But it's been an absolutely fantastic week, and I'm going to take a little time to think about what we've done all this week, and maybe add some of my thoughts to the final video from this trip, which may well be this one you're watching just now. I haven't worked out whether my original thought was I would probably do one video each day, but then by doing the Kerrang twice, it would be in 2 different videos. So I thought maybe I can do them by location. So we'll probably end up at Elgol. So let's get back to Vinny the van, get back to the campsite, get something to eat, and get ready for a drive down to Glasgow tomorrow.